this is your last chance to act because this trick only works right now. Timing is key. All you need are a few colorful trash bags, and chances are you already have some at home. Just pick a few and take them out onto your balcony. Fill each bag with air and tie it tightly. If you don't have colorful bags, regular plastic ones will work just as well. Even the small produce bags from the grocery store. Now, tie the bags to your balcony railing in a few spots. As they flutter in the wind, they act as a natural scarecrow. It might sound silly at first, but it works. I've been doing this for years, and I get to enjoy a clean, peaceful balcony every spring. No more mess, no more droppings, no more stress. The key is to hang them up before pigeons start nesting. I always put the bags out at the end of March, and ever since I started, I've never had a problem. The pigeons see the bags moving and think there's danger nearby. They stay away and look for other places to nest. This trick is simple, inexpensive, and surprisingly effective. There's no need for harsh chemicals, loud noises, or messy cleanups. Just try it once and you'll see how pigeons vanish as if by magic.